Stock number 40583W. It's a 2018 Chevy Trax. It does have a key. It does start. It does not go into gear though. Front bumper is no good. Headlights busted. The hood's no good. It does start, but when I put it into gear, it starts grinding. So, probably not going to start it, but it does start. Front door is no good. Surface scratches on the back door. Got a parking lot ding on that quarter panel. Back here, got a bunch of damages on the rear bumper. All over. Back here, the front bumper's no good. It starts, does not go into gear. It does have a key. The steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver knee airbags deployed, and all the seatbelts are locked. See, they're locked. Does not have a sunroof. This is stock number 40583W. It's a 2018 Chevy Trax. It does have a key. It does start. It does not go into gear.